Hi everyone, hope you're all doing well. In today's video we're going to be returning to my series of how will it handle. In today's video we're going to be making a cocktail in this washing machine. We've got 2 watermelons, absolute vanilla vodka and a champagne glass, as we're going to be obviously making a cocktail in this washing machine, which is quite crazy. So I don't really know how this is going to work, but I suppose we'll find out when this machine gets washing. The idea is that hopefully all the watermelons on top of the washing machine will break up and kind of mix with the water, and then when it drains the wash water out after it's done its main wash, I'll put it in that champagne glass and see how it is. I'm not going to taste test it because this washing machine is quite grim, as you may or may not know. The vodka, well, I don't have any tequila, so that's gonna have to make do, and I don't like vanilla vodka or lime vodka. I like any other vodka other than them two. That's why I'm using that, as it's a spare bottle that I kind of found in the cupboard that I've not clearly used. So yeah, let's put them watermelons in there, shove it on a quick wash, or any wash really that tumbles quite aggressively, which will be a cotton's wash then. And yeah, we'll see how it turns out. So I've decided I'm going to do a Cotton's 40 wash with super quick. Yeah, let's go. I'll add the vodka in once it's past its initial pump out phase, because otherwise it's just going to pump it out. Alright, let's go. One of them split apart. I am curious on how it would taste, but I'm not tasting it because obviously this washing machine is very grim, like I said. Washing machine cocktail. Don't drink that unless you want a quick trip up to A&E. Lovely. Now, let's continue so we can finish the rest of the cycle, I suppose, and see how the watermelons come out. The second watermelon in the end did crack open, so yeah, I guess it's gonna rinse it out now. The smell is quite horrible, really. I don't really like watermelons, so well, there you go. Right, let's finish the cycle then. It's quite delicious if you're into watermelon, I suppose. Although there's not really much of the insides of the watermelon left. That is quite disgusting. It smells pretty nasty as well, to be honest. But yeah, I'm sure if anyone's hungry and is fancying watermelon, well, you can have some of this. It might make you end up to, it might send you to A&E, but hey ho. Right, let's go and finish off the cocktail then. cheers, washing machine. Yum, I'm gonna enjoy this. So yeah, I'm not that stupid, but you can make a cocktail in the washing machine. Even though it's not very hygienic too, as obviously these machines ain't really that clean if you're putting your laundry in it, and you know, detergent is obviously mixed in all of that. So yeah, don't try this at home unless you want to maybe partially kill your washing machine, or spend hours and hours of putting watermelon out your washing machine and cleaning your clothes with watermelon and vanilla vodka. But yeah, happy days.